How to make an unlimited WordPress website using one domain and one web hosting. This is what we will teach you inside this course. Installing lots of WordPress websites can be difficult and expensive sometimes. Paying renews of the domain again and again, plus if you have lots of domains, then expenses become very high. So this course will teach you how to make unlimited WordPress websites without buying lots of domains. This will save lots of your money too.
Hey guys, if you have taken any of our courses on Udemy, so people generally complain us that I speak, very fast. So guys, do not worry that here you have the option to decrease or increase the speed. So if you think that I speak very fast in the lectures, so make sure you guys can decrease the speed of the player so that uh, you can make this video play in a slow speed. Okay, so for that you can use this setting. So people generally put bad reviews in our courses just because of this that we speak very fast. So make sure that you have setting. If you will use this setting, so you can just change the speed. Okay, so if you're finding I speak very fast, so just go ahead and slow down the speed. Okay, and if you have any questions, so just go to this Q&A and just question us whatever you want, and we will going to answer you. Okay, so this was the thing guys I want to tell you, because it's very important that people generally shout or put bad review on our courses just because of this. Okay, so hope if you ever face this issue, so make sure you can just change the speed. Okay, so this was the thing guys I want to tell you regarding this video. Whether you are creating any kind of website, whether it's a WordPress website, whether it's a website which is made with the help of PHP scripts, if you want to install any type of applications, so for any cases you require domain and hosting. So in this introduction part, I just want to tell you that domain and hosting is one of the most important thing to build any type of website or to install any type of application inside your servers. So to create any website or to install any application like email application, or there can be any applications, you have to have one domain and hosting. So first let's look what is hosting. So hosting is nothing but it is a storage. So if you want to start any kind of online business, you need one website, or even if you want to install some applications like email marketing application like Mautic, so you need one hosting. So hosting is nothing but it is a storage. Okay, so it is a place where you can store all files, videos and your images. It's very simple. So to make your business online, you require hosting so that you can store all the files, videos and images which you will going to use in your website. So those database which includes file, videos and images that will be going to store inside hosting. Now hostings are of different types. Hostings are of different types. So we have shared hosting, cloud hosting, cPanel hosting, VPS hosting and dedicated hosting. Most of the beginners, they go with shared hosting. What are these kind of hostings? We will going to talk about these hostings in coming videos. But right now these are the types. So whether if you want to install any kind of WordPress applications or any kind of email marketing application or WordPress website or any kind of website with PHP scripts or anything, so shared hosting is the best option for all the beginners. But as you prosper in your business, you can go with another type of hostings. So all hostings have their own benefits, plus they have their disadvantage. We will going to proceed with all about these types of hostings in very deep in coming videos. But right now you just need to understand hosting is nothing but it is a storage where you can store all your files, videos and images, and hostings are of many types. Okay, what is domain? So domain is nothing but is the name of your online business or address of your online business. In simple, again I am repeating, domain is nothing but it is the name of your online business, or you can say it is address of your online business. So domain examples are amazon.in. If you will type this amazon.in in your browser, you will go to amazon.in, that is India's Amazon website. If you will type amazon.com, you will go to Amazon's website, but it will be global Amazon website. Similarly, flipkart.com. it is one more business. Okay, so it is nothing, domain is nothing, I am repeating, domain is just name of your online business. So Amazon is one online business, Flipkart is online business, Bing Commerce is our company, bingcommerce.com is also our company. So domain is nothing, but it is just name of your business. So whatever business you want to start, you can name your business on the basis of their domain. For example, if you want to create one business on your name, so for example your name is John, so you can take one domain that is related to John, you can buy John domain. Or for example your surname is John McLarian, okay, your surname is McLarian, so you can buy one domain with johnmclarian.com, or you can also buy johnmclarian.in. So it's totally up to you. So domain is nothing, it is just the name of your online business, or you can say it is address of your online business. So when someone will type this domain name in their web browser, they will go to your website. Okay, so this is the address of your online business. Live example, for example, as you all know, bingcommerce.in is my domain. You can see bingcommerce.in is name of my business. So if someone will type bingcommerce.in, so it is also address of my website. So whenever I want someone to come to my website, he needs to type this bingcommerce.in to come to my website. If I will click on enter, you can see you will going to come to my website. So domain name is also name of your business, plus it is address of your business. So according to your requirements, according to your business, according to your own opinion, you can acquire domain name whatever you want, so that whenever someone will search or type the domain name of your business, they can come to your website. So simple. So hope you guys have somehow understood the idea what is domain. Hosting, what is the best website where you can buy hosting. So to get hosting, you have lots of companies which offer hosting to you. So question arises, what is the best website from where you can acquire or buy hosting? So best website in my experience is Hostinger company or Hostinger website. So from this website you can acquire or you can buy one hosting. Question arises, why Hostinger? Reason behind Hostinger or reason behind to buy Hostinger is that it is very affordable. It has lots of space to store your databases like images, files or videos. It is very smooth. It has very good performance. It has very good uptime. It has 30 days money back guarantee. It has 24/7 support by company for lifetime till when you will going to host your websites inside Hostinger. So there are tons of benefits of Hostinger. There are other companies like SiteGround, A2 Hosting, Bluehost. I have tried them all. But out of those companies, Hostinger is best option. I have gone with all companies. I have taken hosting of Bluehost company. I have taken hosting of SiteGround hosting. I have taken from A2 hosting. Now I have taken Hostinger hosting. But after comparing all things, I have found that Hostinger is the best hosting company which you can acquire or buy. So it is not like that Hostinger don't provide domain. So it is not like that Hostinger does not provide domain. Hostinger is a company which also provides domain and hosting. But if you will purchase domain from Hostinger, so the cost of domain is very high. If you will buy their top plan, they will going to provide domain for 1 year for absolutely free. But if you will try to buy domain from Hostinger, it will going to cost you lots of money. So Hostinger website is just amazing to buy hosting. I've written here to buy hosting. The best website to buy hosting is Hostinger. You can also buy domain from here, but I will not recommend. You can only buy hosting, and hosting performance is very amazing. Okay, how to buy Hostinger hosting, or you can say how you can set up Hostinger hosting. This is what we will going to teach you. Now I will going to provide you discount, total 10% discount. So I will tell you to buy from my link so that you will going to get 3% discount. I will also share my coupon code. If you will going to use that coupon code, you will going to get additional 7% discount. So in total, you will going to get 10% discount. So let's proceed and see how actually everything works. You just need to search here blog.bingcommerce.in. Then you have to put /mark. Then you have to write deals. After you will do this, you just need to click on enter. I will also provide the link in down resources description of this video. So from there, you can check this link. After you will click on that link, you will come to here. Or you can just directly search in your browser blog.bingcommerce.in /deals. Now here you will going to see we have these deals and promos. Here you will see this Hostinger. So here you will see one option of go to deals. Okay. So when you will click here, so for example, I will click here. So you will go to Hostinger website. Very simple. Now when you will click on this link, go to the deal link,
you will going to get 3% discount. So now whatever you will purchase, you will going to get 3% discount from here because you have purchased with my link. So now if you are a US citizen, then you can buy in terms of dollars. You can see all the currencies are in dollars. Whatever plan you want to buy, you can buy, no problem. For example, if you are from some other countries, you just need to click on this country icon, just click here, then it will tell you different countries. So for example, I live in India, so if I will click here, so now you people will going to see that right now I'm in Indian hostinger. So right now it will show currency in terms of my country, that is rupees. So make sure that you click here and select your country. Even if you're Indian and if you buy from US dollar, no problem. Just for your convenience, you can even do this. Okay. Now here you can see we have lots of plans. So whatever plans you want to buy, you can buy from here. So for example, you have domains, you have hostings. So most common is the shared web hosting. Even if you want to install WordPress inside the shared web hosting, you can do that. If you want to install any code script, you can do that. Or even if you want to install any kind of email application or any application, you can do that. So shared web hosting is 100% suitable as compared to this WordPress hosting India. Make sure that you purchase shared web hosting. If you will click here on shared web hosting, you will scroll down and you will see, you will find 3 plans. That is single web hosting, premium web hosting, and one is business web hosting. So here you can see there are lots of things you can compare. For example, if you will see all features, now you can see that in single web hosting you can only have one website, so you can create only one website. Okay, but if you will go for premium web hosting, you can create 100 website. In business web hosting also you can create 100 website. Now in this plan, single web hosting, you will only going to get 3 GB SSD storage, so you can only going to get 30 GB storage, which you can use. Here you will going to get 10,000 visits monthly, so that means that 10,000 people can monthly visit to your website without any issue. Even the visitors will increase, so don't worry, Hostinger will going to handle the server. Okay, you will going to get one email account in this plan. Email account. So first of all, what is email account? Email account means support@beingcommerce.in. Maybe your name is XYZ, so you can create one of your email like support@XYZ, customer@XYZ. So this is the email account. Okay, but as you will buy higher plan, you can see it will going to increase. Here you are getting 100 websites. In second plan you are getting 100 GB storage. In top plan you are getting 200 GB storage. Okay, so if you want to read anything, you can just click on this question mark, and from here you can read each and everything. You will not going to get here free SSL, but yes, if you will go with these plans, premium web hosting, business web hosting, so you will going to get one domain for absolutely free. You will also going to get SSL. What is SSL? You can see when I will click here, it is showing connection is secure. So it is because of SSL. If you don't have SSL, it will show here not secure. So whenever someone will come to your website, he will going to see this website is not secure. So your visitor will going to get fear to do anything inside your website. So that's the reason we have to have SSL. Okay, so these all plans are providing SSL for absolutely free. 100 GB bandwidth you will going to get. That means how much you can share. Okay, so that is what it is called as bandwidth. You can lead. There are lots of amazing things. Also, do not worry, you have 30 days money back guarantee in all of these plans. If you buy single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting, so in all plans you will going to get 30 days money back guarantee. Company will going to return all your money back to you within 30 days. If you do not like their service within 30 days, you can ask them to refund your money. They will going to return every of your money. You can see you can get 2 databases. Here you have unlimited databases, so there are lots of amazing features. Okay, so here you will going to get Cloudflare protection, no CDN here. Okay, you will going to get 100 subdomains. You will going to get unlimited cron jobs, unlimited FTF accounts. So you can see according to your plans, it is increasing. So you can just go with single web hosting if you're a startup, but I will highly suggest please try to invest more and buy this premium web hosting, or if you can buy business web hosting, then it will be more good. Because in single web hosting you can see you can only create one website. Okay, it is cheap, but you can only create one website. Please don't do that. Try to buy these 2 plans. But yes, if you cannot afford anything and you can only buy this one, then it's your problem. Okay, but try to buy these 2 plans if possible. So I will going to buy this business web hosting for myself. So what I will just going to do here is I will just click on add to cart, and also you have live chat support lifetime. Okay, so whatever problem you will face in any kind of plan, they will going to support you. Okay, so now let's click on add to cart. Now you will come here, so you can see you have a lifetime SSL certificate for absolutely free, Cloudflare protection, daily backups. You can have one free domain here. So for example, if I will go for Ghapaghup, okay, GHAPA Ghap.in. So if I will search here, if this will available, then I can have this domain. So you can see this domain is available. So Hostinger has provided me this for absolutely free. Okay, they are not taking you any charge here. You can choose more domains. So for example, if I do not want this domain, so I can just go with tapartup.in. So from here you can go with .online, .shop, .tech, .site. Okay, there are many .com. So there are many. Okay, you can choose according to your requirements. So I want tapartup.in. Okay, so I will just click on search. So you can see here domain tapartup.in is taken. So it will going to give you notification that this domain name is not available. You have to try some other domain because it is already being taken by someone else. Okay, so let's go with Ghapaghup. Ghapaghup.in. Let's try .com. If it is available, then it is amazing. It is also not available, so let's make it .in. Then just click on search. So this domain is available. Okay, so I can just go with this domain. Now here you can see business web hosting. You can just purchase for 1 month, purchase for 12 months, purchase for 24 months, purchase for 48 months. So you can see if you will purchase for 1 month, they will going to charge 1 2 3 4. In your country it can be some other currency. Okay, so it will differ the amount, but in Indian currency it will be very cheap. But as you will go to high plan, so for example, if I will choose to 48 months, so here you can see I can save around 53%. That is huge amount. Okay, you can just go with 24 months, 12 months, but I will recommend please go with at least 12 months. Don't go with 1 month, it will be very much expensive for you. Try to go with 48 months. Okay, so this is the 48th month plan. Now here you will going to see we have this coupon code option. Okay, here you will see one click here, just click here, and here you can write Bing Commerce, B-I-N-G, Bing, C-O-M-M-E-R-C-E. So you have to add this coupon code, that is Bing Commerce. And after you will write the coupon code here, you just need to click on this plus button. So right now friends, you can see you are getting additional 7% discount from my coupon code. So the price has become very much less. Okay, so here you are getting free SSL, free Cloudware protection, free daily backups, plus you are getting one domain for free, plus you are getting 7% discount by my coupon code. It is just amazing. Okay, so you can just go with 48 months. If you want to, 48 months will be actually a very good idea. Then after you will do this, just click on checkout. Then it will ask you to sign up, so you can put your name, email and password. After you will do that, just click on create account and checkout. So for example, I will put Bing Commerce, password is this, then just click on create account and checkout. Then it will going to give you option on which method you want to pay. So again, you can check here, you are purchasing all the details for 48 months, that is 4 years. You are getting free SSL, free Cloudware, free domain. Okay, so you can see the tax and everything. So here I will go and pay with debit card or credit card. You can choose according to your requirements. Whatever you want to pay, you can do PayPal, UPI. Okay, so friends, here I will going to put all my payment method. Okay, so after you will put your card name, card number, expiry date, CVC code, address or anything. So it will show according to the payment method which you will going to choose. So I am choosing card, so it is showing me card details. Okay, so after you will do this, just click on pay now. Then it will ask me to put my OTP number. Then I will just click on submit. Then just wait for a few seconds. Then friends, you can see this is how it will going to look. It will tell you welcome to Hostinger, Kunal Lunare. It will going to give your name. Then you just need to click on start now. So just click on start now. Now it will immediately tell you to choose a domain. So you have this domain which you have just got. Okay, so you can just do this, or in case if you guys have some other domain, that means you have purchases from maybe GoDaddy, or if you have purchased it from Namecheap. So I will also teach you how you can connect your Hostinger with that domain which you have purchased from GoDaddy, Namecheap or any other domain website. But right now we have taken this domain for free, so I will going to select this domain. Then I will just scroll down. Here I can provide the details. So for example, I live in India. So I can choose India from here for personal purpose. Then I will click on next tab. So here it will ask for details. So I will going to put all the details. So the Lunare will be in last name. I will put the details. You can put your phone number. After you will put your all details, you just need to click on finish registration. after you will do this, just wait for a few seconds. Now your domain name is registering, so you have to wait for some minutes. Then from here you can see build a new website. So here you will see one option of skip. I will start from scratch. You just have to click here. Then you just need to finish setup, or before that we can change it. Let's see, to Asia if you want to. I will select it to Asia, then I will click on select. So whatever location are very much close to you, just select them. For India it's Asia, Singapore. Then I will click on finish setup. Then just wait for less than 3 minutes so that your website creation can be done. Then here you can see it will tell you the control panel of Hostinger. So Hostinger control panel is called as H panel. Okay, so you just have to click on this manage site. So friends, you can see now you are in your Hostinger account. Very simple. Now you can see we have successfully purchased our Hostinger. So hope you guys have somehow got the idea of how you can purchase Hostinger hosting. Now here you can see all the things. So whatever renew you want to do, you can do it from here. You can set main domain, you can upgrade your plan, you can set up your accounts, you can change password, you can create email accounts from here. So for example, if your domain name is right now khapaghub.com, right? So you can put support@khapaghub.com or .in, whatever your domain name is. Then here you will going to get domains detail. From here you can add any website subdomains. You can go with Cloudflares, you can go with import website, you can go with migrate website. So for example, if you want one of your website to migrate it inside Hostinger, so for example you have one website in SiteGround, and if you want that site to come to Hostinger, so you can go to migrate. Company will going to do this for you for absolutely free. Okay, so here you have digital marketing, and there are many other options which you can go with the Hostinger panel. So whenever you want to again visit to your hosting of Hostinger, so you just need to search hpanel.hostinger.com, then click on enter. So you will be again go to your Hostinger panel. Okay, so this is the thing I want to teach you. Here we have sent a verification email. Okay, so we can just go and click on resend email. So in our this email address, we have going to get one message from Hostinger, so that Hostinger can verify the email address. Just click on verify email, so that in case in future if you guys have faced any of issue, so with the help of this email address, Hostinger can help you. Okay, so for that purpose they are verifying your email address. So friends, you can see now your email address is also verified in Hostinger. So from here you can manage each and everything. You can go to home, hostings, and almost every place. Okay, so hope you guys have learned how you can create or purchase your Hostinger hosting. Best website to buy domain or to acquire domain. In my recommendation, the best website is GoDaddy. So GoDaddy is another website from where you can acquire or buy domain. Why I'm choosing domain? Why I'm choosing GoDaddy to buy domain? Reason is very simple. First, they provide very cheap domain. Second, they have very easy interface of their website to understand everything very easily. So this is the two basic or advanced benefit of buying domain from GoDaddy. Now it is not like that GoDaddy only provides domain. GoDaddy also provides domain and hosting. Okay, but GoDaddy provides best domain. They are not so much good at hosting. They also have good hosting, but price are very high. They also provide cheap hosting which you can buy, but their cheap hosting will also going to provide you cheap performance. So that's the reason I'm avoiding you to take any hosting from GoDaddy. You can just take one domain from GoDaddy. Okay, so once again I'm repeating, there are other best website to buy domain is GoDaddy. They also provide hosting, but I will not recommend just buy domain from their website. There are another alternative companies like Namecheap. Okay, they also provide domain, and there are plenty of other companies. But as I say, always prefer GoDaddy to buy your domain. How to buy domain on GoDaddy. This is what we will going to cover in this lecture. Most of the companies offer domain for free for 1 year. If you already have then it's okay, you can leave. But for some reason, if you want to have more domains, then GoDaddy is best option because they provide very cheap domain, plus they have very easy to understand website interface that will make you understand everything very easily. So after you will going to have domain, so your visitors can type your domain on web browser and then they can come to your website. For example, my website is beingcommerce.in. This is one domain. If someone want to come to my website, he needs to type my domain, then he can just come to my website like this. So similarly, you can acquire domain on GoDaddy. It's very easy. You just need to search GoDaddy on browser, go DADDY, then you just need to click on enter. So here you will see advertisement. At very down you will going to see we have this GoDaddy link. You just need to click here. Now according to your country, it will take you to your currency website. I am from India, so you can see they have taken me to in.godaddy.com. that means India GoDaddy website. No problem, all processes are same, but only the difference here will be of currency. I will be able to see all the domains in my currency. That's the only difference. So if you are from US, you can see US dollar. If you are from some other countries, so GoDaddy will automatically going to take you to website. Okay, do not worry. Now after you will come to website of GoDaddy, whatever domain you want to buy, here you will see find your perfect domain. You just have to type that domain here. For example, I want one website that is tapatup.xyz.in. Okay, so first of all, just put your name of your business and then click on search domain. Now here I can see that tapatupro.xyz is available. So you can see there are lots of domains that is available related to what you have typed here. So you can see here they are saying tapatup.com is taken. Okay, so for example, if you want tapatup.in, so if you will type here tapatup.in in search bar and then click on search, then you can see that tapatup.in is also taken. So according to your name of your business, just see the domain name which is available and you can take that domain. So for example, I can just type tapatup.xyz. Is that available? So you can see that tapatup.xyz is available. So I can purchase this domain for just 99. At down you can see all the related domain which you can also choose, like tapatup.org, tapatup.co, okay, tapatup.xyz, tapatup.site. So there are many. You can choose whatever you want. Now there are some premium domains, like for example, if I will type ufomeet.com, if I will search for this domain, you can see this is a premium domain. So premium domains will cost you lots of money. You can see they are very expensive. Reason? Because of the unique name. Okay, so you can see this is the premium domain. So make sure that whenever you buy any domain, please check the price. Now if you will take .com, here you can see .com. So .com is very popular, so that's the reason it is very much expensive as compared to .in. You can see ufomeet.in is cheap, only 149. Okay, so I'm just trying to say you that if you will buy .com, it will be bit expensive. If you will buy .in, it will be very much cheap as compared to .com. If you will buy .co.in, it will be more cheaper than .in. If you will buy .xyz, it will be very much cheaper as compared to all domains. Okay, so here also you can see ufomeet.xyz. If I will search for this and I will click on search, so you can see it is available for just 99. Okay, so hope you guys are somehow getting idea. Okay, but I will go for tapatup.xyz. Click on search. So for demo purpose, I will going to buy this cheap domain to make you understand how to buy domain name on GoDaddy. After you will choose any of your domain, for example, you have like this domain tapatup.online, you can just click here and it will be added to cart. But I will just go and click on this domain, add to cart. So you can see now it will going to get added. Here you can see now it is showing 1078. Reason? Because I'm purchasing it for 2 years. If you will change it to 1 year, price will go to only 99 rupees. Okay, so it's super cheap. If you guys want for more years, you can buy. The more year you will going to buy, more discount you will going to get. But you are just now buying this domain, so GoDaddy always offer it for very cheap. Okay, so I'm taking this domain for 1 year, so I will just click on continue to cart. Now here you can see they're providing domain privacy and protection. We have talked about this. If you want to, you can go. It will provide some protection to your domain, but I will not going to buy. Okay, I will just click on this no thanks and I will also untake it. Okay, and from here you make sure that you don't buy professional email. Click on no thanks and then just click on continue to cart. So now you can see the total review of your domain, you can see tapatup.xyz for 1 year costing you 99, 89% discount given by GoDaddy. If you want to add privacy protection, you can add it from here according to your requirement, but I will not add. After you will do everything, the total cost will be 99. Then just click on checkout. Now if you guys don't have account in GoDaddy, you just need to sign up first. So I will just click on sign up with Google. I will choose the account. All good to go. Now I will just click on checkout. Now billing information, I will put Bing Commerce, everything, then phone number, then click on agree. Then put your address, post number, state, city. Don't put organization, GST, it is totally optional. Okay, it is not required to fulfill. So here you can see all the star marks. So star marks are mandatory, you have to fill them. And the area where you don't find this mark, so that area is not important. Okay, so important here is your phone number, address, postal, state, city are important, which you have to put it anyhow, it is mandatory. Okay, then click on save and continue. After you will click on save and continue, you will come to the payment area where you can choose the payment method. There are lots of payment methods, debit cards, net banking, credit cards. So whatever payment method you want to choose, you can choose from here and then go proceed. I will go and choose payment method as debit card. So I will choose this payment method. I will click on save payment method. Then I will have to review each and everything, the price and everything. And here you can see domain costing is 99. They are charging 33 as a tax. Okay, so now total will be 132.54 in your currency. It can be in dollar or in any other currency. Okay, after you will do this, you just need to click on continue purchase. After that, it will take you to the payment form. Here you have to put all your payment details and you have to click on make payment. Okay, so for example, I want to debit card, so I will put all the details of debit card, that is Visa debit card. Okay, and then I will going to put the details and then just click on make payment. It will ask for OTP number for confirmation and then click on submit. Then just wait for some seconds, it will automatically going to take you to everything. So now you can see that you have successfully purchased domain from GoDaddy and it is taking you to the thank you page. Super simple. So for example, if you want to see this domain, so just you need to click on your this profile, just click here, then you will see my products. You just need to click on my products. After you will come here, it will tell you to verify your email. So just open your email first. Then just go here and first of all just verify your this email. Then you just need to click on view my domains. Then you will be able to see the domain which you have just now purchased. If you will click on your profile and if you will go to my products again, now you will see that this tapatup.xyz domain is now available. So for example, here we have this manage and DNS. If you will click on DNS, so from here you can see the name servers. So what are name servers? So in case you have hosting from some other company, you can connect that hosting with your domain from here. Okay, so this is just a general thing. Just go to my products again. So hope you guys have learned how you can purchase one domain name on GoDaddy. It's super simple. Now let's see how you can install SSL to your domain name so that it will going to show this pedal like connection is secure. If you don't have SSL, then it will show like this, not secure, not secure. So it's very dangerous whenever any visitor come to your website. So for security purpose, we use SSL certificate. So it's very easy to install in Hostinger. So you can see, you can just go on SSL here at very top. Here you can click on install SSL. From here also you can install to this domain gabagab.in. And on home, it is also showing lifetime SSL. So just click on setup. From here also you can install. So it's very easy. Just click on install SSL. It will take some time. Just wait for some minutes, 1 to 3 minutes maximum. So now you can see it has shown that SSL is installed successfully. You just need to click on close. Okay, so this is how you can install SSL. So whatever domain you have, you can just go to SSL, and when you will click on install SSL, so whatever domains you will going to have, all those domains will going to show up here. You have to just select that domain and you just need to click on install now. Okay, just go to home again. How to make or how to install any website or WordPress website to Hostinger. It's very easy to do. Now there can be two cases. First case is that you have purchased hosting from Hostinger and Hostinger has also provided you one domain for free. So with this you can create website. There can be another or second case where you have purchased hosting from Hostinger but you have domain in another company like GoDaddy. So how you can make or install website or WordPress website in this case. So we will going to talk about both cases. Okay, now let's see how you can install WordPress or any website to Hostinger. So if you have purchased hosting from Hostinger plus you have got one domain for free, so we will going to teach you how you can install. It's very easy. First of all, you need to go to your Hostinger panel. So you just need to search hpanel.hostinger.com. Then you will going to come to your Hostinger account. It will look like this. So for example, when I will click on hosting, so this is the hosting plan which I have purchased from Hostinger, and they have given me this ghapaghap.in domain for free. So I want to install website or WordPress website inside this domain. It's very simple. You just need to click on manage, and then you need to scroll down. Here you will going to see we have website option. Here you will see auto installer. Just select this. Now it is telling you to choose option which you want to install. So you can install WordPress and WooCommerce directly, Joomla, others, or WordPress. It's totally up to you. Most popular is WordPress. You can install it. So just click on select. Now you are installing WordPress on this domain, that is ghapaghap.in. Okay, you can make it to HTTPS. From here, after you will do this, you have to provide the administration username, administration email, then the website title. For example, I will write Ghapaghap, and then you have to put the password. Put the password. After you will put password, you just need to go down. Here you can see the database password. If you want to, you can put the database, but we will leave it. Then you will see that the required disk space to install WordPress is 55 MB. Okay, then at down you will see this option of install. Also it will going to give options to turn off the automatic updates. That means whenever new update will going to come to WordPress, so if you will tick mark this, so that update will not going to get automatically updated. Second option, if you will choose, so it will only going to update in minor versions. If you will select this, so your WordPress will going to update automatically whenever any new version will going to come. So it's totally up to you. Whatever you want to choose, you can go for that, and then just click on install. It will take some time to install WordPress. It's very easy, do not worry. Just wait for some seconds or some minutes, 1 to 3 minutes, then it will automatically going to install. So friends, you can see that we have installed WordPress to this domain. If you will click on these 3 dots, from here you can manage them, details, you can delete this. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Just click here. It will take you to the WordPress dashboard. So you can see this ghapaghap.in. We have installed SSL, so it is showing connection is secure. Now if you want to go to admin section of this WordPress website, so just type your domain name and you have to add #wp-admin and then click on enter. So you will come to your panel. Here you have to provide email address or username and then password which you have just put. So after you will put the username and password, you will going to go to your dashboard, WordPress dashboard. So it's super simple to install WordPress or any website to Hostinger when you have purchased hosting from Hostinger plus you have got domain for free from Hostinger. So it's the simplest method to do this. How to install WordPress website? So for example, you have hosting, you have purchased from Hostinger, but you have purchased domain from some another company, for example GoDaddy. In simple, you have purchased hosting from Hostinger, domain from GoDaddy. So how you can add WordPress website in this scenario? How you can connect your domain and hosting, and how you can install website or WordPress website? This is what we will going to cover. It's very simple. So you just need to go to your Hostinger hosting. The first thing which you need to do, so to go to your hosting dashboard, you just need to search hpanel.hostinger.com and then click on enter. You will go to Hostinger dashboard. Very simple. Now you need to open your GoDaddy account. So you just need to search GoDaddy. You just need to go to GoDaddy website, just select here, and after you will go to your GoDaddy website, you just need to click on your icon or profile. From here you just need to go to my products. Then for example, this is the domain which you have purchased from GoDaddy and you want to connect this domain to your Hostinger website. Very simple. So you can see right now we have opened our Hostinger account and we have opened our GoDaddy. So when I have opened GoDaddy, so this tapartup.xyz is the domain which I need to connect with the hosting of Hostinger so that I can install website. So it's very simple. You just need to go to your Hostinger and from here you just need to go to hosting. From here you just need to click on add website. Now it will going to ask for domain name. So our domain name was tapatup.xyz was our domain. Just copy this, just go and put the domain here, tapatup.xyz. You can even put the password. After you will do that, click on add website. So now you can see this website is added, that is tapatup.xyz. Now to install website in this tapatup.xyz domain, you just need to click on this manage button here. Just click here. So after you will click here, you will going to see your domain name is not pointing to Hostinger. So now if you will click on this click more, you will see these two name servers. So if you will go to slide again, so you can see our hosting, which is in Hostinger, they have provided us these two name servers. Name server 1 is this one, name server 2 is this one. So you just need to paste these two codes in your domain. So just again go to your GoDaddy. This was the GoDaddy. So in your domain, here you will see one DNS option. You just need to click here. After you will come here, you just need to scroll down. Here you will see these name server options. Here you just need to click on change. And here at right down you will see enter my own name servers. You just have to click here. Now friends, what we are doing, the Hostinger has provided us two name servers, which are these two. We just need to put these two codes inside our domain, these name servers. Then what will going to happen? Our domain and hosting will be connected to each other, and then we can create website easily. So now let's do this. Just copy the first name server, go to GoDaddy, paste the name server here like this. Similarly, go to second name server, copy this, go here and paste the name server here. After you will do this, just click on save button. I will click on save button. Then it will show you something like this. Just click on yes, then click on continue. Now friends, it will take around 30 minutes or 5 minutes, or even it can take 24 hours to connect your domain and hosting together. Okay, so if you will again go to hosting, just click on close, just refresh your Hostinger account once more. So still it is not pointing, but do not worry, it will going to point out after 5 minutes or maybe 30 minutes, or it can take 24 hours. Here you can see they have written, if you have pointed your domain to us, please keep in mind that domain can take up to 24 hours to fully propagate. If you would like to point your domain to us, you will need to point your domain to our name servers. We have already done that, so it will maximum take 24 hours. Okay, so right now you do not need to worry. So you can see our hosting was at Hostinger, our domain was at GoDaddy. So we have successfully connected our hosting and domain, because hosting has provided us two name servers, which we have put it in our domain name servers, and then we have connected it. Okay, so it will take 24 hours, do not worry. So after you will wait for 24 hours, you will see now this message will going to go. The reason behind is that it has successfully changed the name servers, and now our hosting, that is Hostinger, is successfully connected with our domain, that is from GoDaddy. Very simple. You can even get this message from GoDaddy. You can see your name servers has changed for tapatup.xyz. Okay. Now what you need to do next is to add SSL in this domain. Just click on this SSL button here. Now you can see I have lots of websites, so again just click on install SSL. I will choose tapatup.xyz and then click on install SSL. So now friends, you can see the SSL is successfully installed in this domain. Then just click on close. So you can see that SSL is installed on this domain. So just again go to hosting. Now you can see the lots of websites I have hosted here. Okay, so all websites will going to show you inside hosting. So whatever website you want to manage. So for example, right now we have to install our website or WordPress website inside tapatup.xyz. So at last I will going to click on this manage of tapatup.xyz domain. I will click on manage. Then just scroll down. In website you will going to see auto installer. Just select this, and right now all the WordPress website which you will going to create will going to show up here. So for your tapatup.xyz we have to install WordPress. I will select WordPress. Now friends, here you will see HTTP and HTTPS. So one concept you have to learn here is that right now we have installed SSL certificate for tapatup.xyz. So we will going to make it to HTTPS. But if in case you haven't installed SSL certificate in any of your domain, so make it to HTTP only. Do not make it to HTTPS until and unless you add SSL certificate on that domain. But right now we have added our SSL certificate on this domain, so I will make it to HTTPS. After you will do this, make sure that you write your username, administrator password, administrator email, and your website title. So website title can be anything, maybe the name of your business. Okay, then select the language. I will select it to English. I will write the website name as Tapatap. Very simple. So you can see I have put the password as well. So if you want to put the database password, you can do that, but I will not do. Okay, so it's totally up to you if you want to. Then from here you will going to get 3 options. So if you want Hostinger to not update your WordPress website when any update will come, so you can choose this option. If you want Hostinger to update your WordPress in minor version, you can choose this option. Or if you want Hostinger to update your website or WordPress website whenever any new version will come, so they will going to do this for you if you will select the third option. Okay, so after you will do this, just click on install, save it. It's totally up to you. Wait for maximum 3 minutes, or it can happen even in less than 3 minutes. Okay, so friends, you can see now WordPress is successfully installed in this domain, that is https://tapatap.xyz. Just select here. Now you will be able to go to your WordPress website. Okay, you can see this is the WordPress website. We have installed SSL certificate, so here it is showing connection is secure. That is amazing. Now in case if you want to delete any of your WordPress, you can just go and delete it. It's totally up to you. So to log in inside your WordPress dashboard, this is the domain. So you just need to write /, then add WP, then write dash, then write admin. After you will do this, just click on enter. So now you will go to the email address and password. So here you have to put the email address and password which you have just now kept before you have installed WordPress. Okay, so here you have put your password and email. So this is what you have to put here. After you will do that, just click on login. So now friends, you can see we have successfully logged in inside our dashboard, or you can say WordPress dashboard. So it was super simple to do this, or to install your website or WordPress website inside your Hostinger when you have hosting with Hostinger but you have domain from some other company like GoDaddy. So this is how you can install your WordPress website in this scenario. So it's applicable with all hosting companies. So for example, if you have hosting from Hostinger but if you have domain from MailChimp, so same process is followed. For example, you have domain from GoDaddy, and if you have hosting from SiteGround, then also if you want to install, you have to follow the same process which we have just now followed. Okay, so it's very simple to do this. So again, just click on this hosting. So here you will going to see all your website. Now again, I'm repeating, whenever you need to again log into inside your WordPress website, you just have to write your domain, that is tapatap.xyz. I've written here. Then you have to put /, then write WP, then write dash, then write admin, and then click on enter. You will go to your WordPress dashboard. Super simple. Okay, how you can set up or how you can create subdomains or how you can create subdomain with the help of Hostinger. It's very easy. In very quick, let's understand what is subdomain first. You can see here bingcommerce.in is my domain. So whenever someone will search on their web browser bingcommerce.in, they will come to my website. So this is the domain of my website. So what is subdomain? So for example, here you can see blog.bingcommerce.in. So here blog is extension which I have added in front of my domain bingcommerce.in. So total is become blog.bingcommerce.in. So it has become subdomain. So in subdomain I have installed my blogging website. Similarly, if you will go with another example, here you can see bingcommerce.in is main domain, and in front of domain I have added academy. So academy is extension which I have added in front of my main domain, that is bingcommerce.in. So total it has become academy.bingcommerce.in. So this has become subdomain. So in this subdomain I have installed one more website of mine, that is online course website. Similarly, if I will show you third example, here you can see bingcommerce.in is my domain. In front of this domain I have added one extension of shop. So total has become shop.bingcommerce.in. So it has become one subdomain. So in this subdomain, I have installed one more website of my e-commerce website where I sell physical products. Hope you guys have understood the idea of what is subdomain. So now let's see how you can create subdomain. So first of all, you need to go to hosting. Here you will see all your website which has been hosted. So for example, this gapagap.in is one of the website. Here I want to add subdomains. So I will click on manage of this gapagap.in domain. Just click on manage. Just scroll down. Scroll down. Here you will see under domains we have this subdomain option. You just need to click here. So right now we have one subdomain, that is demo.gapagap.in. So gapagap.in is domain. In front of domain we have this demo. which is extension which we have added in front of our domain. So it has total become demo.gapagap.in. It has become one subdomain. So here also we can install any application or website. So for example, we want to delete this, so just click on delete button and click on confirm delete. So this is how you can delete any of your subdomain as well. If you will scroll up, here you can see you have options to add subdomains. For example, here you can see this is the main domain. So it is blog.beingcommerce.in. So I can also add here blog, just add blog here. So you can see blog and .gapagap.in is already there. So blog is your extension. This is extension which you have added in front of your domain, that is .gapagap.in. So if you will click on create, so you can see now you have added this subdomain. So similarly, you can add more subdomains. So for example, here we have one more, that is academy.beingcommerce.in. So similarly, whatever you want to type, shop, academy, Hollywood, Bollywood, whatever you want to type in front of your domain. So here I can write academy.beingcommerce.in. Okay, so similarly here we have created academy.gapagap.in. So whatever you want to write here, you can write. So this academy has become extension. So this is the extension which you have added in front of your domain. Your domain is gapagap.in. So this is the extension which you have added in front of your domain. So it will total become academy.gapagap.in. So it will become your subdomain. So if you will click on create, you can see here we have academy.gapagap.in subdomain also created. So you can create unlimited subdomains here, and you can install unlimited website or application inside your each subdomain. So first of all, let me show you how you can do that. So first, what we can do, we can put SSL inside our subdomain. So just click on SSL at very top. Here I will click on install SSL. I will choose SSL. Let's say I will put in blog.gapagap.in. This is the subdomain which we have just now created. Just select this and then click on install SSL. It can take maximum of 3 minutes. It can also happen in less than 3 minutes as well. Okay, so just wait for a few minutes. Then close. Now you can see that you have added SSL certificate in your subdomain as well, that is blog.gapagap.in. So you can put unlimited SSL in your subdomain as well. Now if you want to install website, or you can say WordPress website inside this subdomain, how you can do that? You just need to click on this WordPress, just select this, then click on dashboard. Now just scroll down. When you will scroll at very down, you will see one option of site install another WordPress. Just click on this install button. So here you will again going to see options of WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla and others. You can select WordPress from here. I will select the WordPress. Now here you can see we have HTTP, HTTPS. So right now we have added one subdomain. So if you will first of all select here, now you can see inside this gapagap.in domain we have created two subdomain, that is blog.gapagap.in, academy.gapagap.in. So whatever subdomains you will going to create, all your subdomains will going to show here. So for example, we want to go with blog.gapagap.in. Just select this domain. Now in this domain we have added SSL, so I will make it to HTTPS. If you don't add SSL to your domain, so you have to choose HTTP. If you have added SSL certificate to your domain, then you have to select HTTPS. Then you have to just write your administration username, email, password and website title. So I can write here Gapagap blog website, or just make it Gapagap blog. You can also add password. So friends, you can see I have added the password. Remember, this email and password will only help you to log in inside your WordPress website. So please remember that, okay? Then just select the language. From here you can select the settings, whatever you want. Then just click on install now button. It will take some time to install the WordPress, not more than 3 minutes, okay? So do not worry, just wait for some few minutes. So you can see here we have this http blog.gapagap.in is added. If you will click here, you will go here. So make sure that if you want to log in inside your website panel or WordPress panel, you have to add at end of this domain, that is /wp-admin, then click on enter. So now it will going to ask username and password. After you will put username and password, you can click on login. So friends, you can see that we have gone inside our WordPress dashboard. Super simple to do, right? So this is how you can create unlimited subdomains, and inside subdomains you can install unlimited website, whether that website is related to WordPress or whatever, and application. Super simple, super easy to do. So this is the main website. So similarly, I have created subdomains for blog. Similarly, I have created one subdomain for academy. Here I post all online courses. So you can similarly create more subdomains like me, okay, whatever you want. you can do that. I have shown you how you can do that. Okay.
Hey guys, thank you so much that you people have stick with me and completed the full video course, and I hope that you guys have loved watching the short mini video course which we have provided you. Now I just want you to give some information that we have our own website, so you can just visit to this website academy.beingcommerce.in. Just type this URL and click on enter. You will come to this website. Now when you will click on courses, so you will see we have tons of different courses for very affordable and fixed price. So if you are interested, so you can also take these courses from our website. But the most important thing which I want to tell you is that our lifetime plan. Now when you will click on this lifetime, you will go to this lifetime plan. So here whatever courses, paid courses we have in our Udemy or any educational website or in our website, so when you will take the lifetime plan, you will going to be able to access all the existing paid courses we have. Plus we will also going to give you free lifetime access to our new uploading courses every month. So every month we will going to launch new courses, so we will also going to give you those new launching courses every month for free, so you can access those new courses lifetime for free. So this is a benefit of this lifetime. So make sure if you guys are interested, you can just go to this website, that is academy.beingcommerce.in. just type in your browser academy.beingcommerce.in, then click on enter. You will visit to this website. It is that simple. Or you can just simply search Bing Commerce on Google. Just search for Bing Commerce, click on enter. You will see the first URL, that is https://beingcommerce.in, Bing Commerce Hub. So you can just select this website, go to this website. From Bing Commerce you can select the learn skill courses, and from this website you can click on learn more. So from there also you can visit to our website. So either you directly just search on the browser academy.beingcommerce.in, or just go and search for Bing Commerce on search engine like Google, Yahoo. Just search there Bing Commerce and visit to our official Bing Commerce Hub website, and from there you can just visit to this website. Also, before ending this video, I want you to tell you that we have our Instagram page. You can follow our Instagram page. You can see we have good followers in our Instagram page, so you can follow us in our Instagram page. You can also follow us on Facebook. You can see more than 105,000 people follow this page worldwide, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that you will going to get latest and amazing knowledge for free with our YouTube channel. So this was the important things which I want to tell you. First, about my website where I have the courses. You can take them from here. Also you can also acquire a lifetime plan. You can also follow our Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.